Hey guys, thanks for joining me. I've been thinking about the faux finish on the Zenith cabinet, and I looked at this left side probably a dozen times and just don't see correcting the issues with the faux finish. The problem is the substrate material underneath the faux is damaged. I've got some fairly deep gouges. So I think what I'm going to do is try to recreate the faux just using photo paper. And you can see that's what I have here, just an example. I took a high resolution photo of the right hand side of the cabinet where the faux finish was in good shape. Did a little touch up using paint in the Windows program. And you can see I've reversed the image on the left hand side using like the t-shirt mode to print, and then I was able to book match the two sections. You can see my seam line, not a great job there putting these together. Again, just using some spray adhesive, more of a proof of concept. Sprayed just a little bit of brown toner lacquer to blend the two sections together. Again, this will be on the whole left side of the cabinet. This would be on the right side of the cabinet. So it's really where the two come together, where the blending needs to take place. So what do you guys think about this method and procedure? Do you think this would work if I'm able to expand my media north, south, east, and west to be able to wrap the entire cabinet? Let me know in the comments. I appreciate you guys watching. Hope everyone's having a great day. Take care.